Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, respected teachers, honorable judges, and my dear friends. Today, I would like to talk about an important issue that is very close to us but often ignored. The topic I would like to talk about is our school's carbon footprint. What is a carbon footprint? A carbon footprint is the amount of the carbon dioxide gas released into the air because of humans' activities. This gas causes global warming and climate change. Many people think that only factories and vehicles create carbon emissions. But in fact, schools also contribute to carbon emissions. Let me explain how. First, let's talk about electricity. Every day, we use lamps, fans, air conditioners, computers, and projectors at school. According to environmental studies, electricity from fossil fuels produce carbon dioxide. For example, one air conditioner produces hundreds of kilograms of carbon dioxide each year if it is used daily. Imagine how much carbon is produced if many classrooms use air conditioners at the same time. Sometimes lights and fans are left on even when the classroom is empty. This simple habit increases energy waste and carbon emissions. Second, let's talk about transportation. Most students and teachers come to school using motorcycles or cars. Data shows that motor vehicles are one of the largest sources of carbon emissions in daily life. When hundreds of vehicles arrive at school every morning, they release exhaust gases that pollute the air. This pollution does not only affect the environment but also our health. Air pollution can cause breathing problems, especially for children and teenagers. Third, let's talk about waste. School produces a lot of waste every day, such as plastic bottle, food wrapper, paper, and leftover food. According to environmental facts, plastic waste can take more than 100 years to decompose. Meanwhile, food waste produces methane gas, which is even more dangerous than carbon dioxide. If waste is not managed properly, it will increase pollution and harm the environment. So, my friends, what can we do to reduce our school's carbon footprint? The answer is simple. Start from ourselves. Ladies and gentlemen, as students, we're not also responsible academically, but also morally. In Islam, we are taught to protect the earth, not to damage it. And Allah says in the Holy Quran, Surah Ar-Rum, verse 41. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ظهر الفساد في البر والبحر بما كسبت أيدي الناس ليذيقهم بعض الذي عملوا لعلهم يرجعون صدق الله العظيم. Corruption has appeared on land and sea because of what people's hands have done. This verse reminds us that environmental damage is caused by human actions. Pollution, climate change, and excessive carbon emissions happen because people are careless with nature. Let's reduce carbon footprint. And here are 4 steps that we can do. First, we can save electricity. Second, we can reduce vehicle use. Third, we must manage waste better. Fourth, school can plant more trees. Ladies and gentlemen, climate change is real and it's happening now. But the good news is we can be a part of the solutions. We do not do big things. Small actions we done together can create a big impact. Let's make our schools a green school. Let us care for our environment and let us prove that students can make a difference. Thank you for your attention. See you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.